what you think are the challenges and barriers MSMEs are facing while growing their business. According to you, I want you to talk to us about your experience. How was the start when you wanted to start a brand, and what was your strategy in generating leads and getting customers initially?
I initially I went wrong with the 4 Ps, the famous Kotler's 4 Ps, product, people, price, and place. Just get these four right whenever you're setting up. What is your product? Who are your people? Is wherever you are choosing to sell, is it the right place to sell? And is your pricing the right fit for your customer?
And study the behavior of your peers in that particular sector. So if you keep on studying and just keeping a watch of what is happening around you, so I feel so that at least you can get some idea of how you can proceed with that, even if you are not confident of how to start, but at least initiating that process I feel is very important. And definitely for beginners and those who are already into a business, I personally feel that your online presence as of now after the pandemic is very, very important.